barber shop, cornerstone neighborhood.
Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. This is the special edition black label. I've been talking about this thing for a little while now. In my opinion, it is the best blade in the industry right now. And yes, even better than the Saber. Got that amazing base, solid and grippy, weighted, rubber bottom. Inside here, you're gonna have your charging cable, all your paperwork, some blade oil, and some Andis trimmer guards. I know a lot of people don't keep those, but it's good to have them just in case. They are pretty good for working around mustaches and beards. So I have been operating with one of these. Granted, it didn't look like that, but I've been operating with one of these for a little bit. And that was with this one right here. Now the big difference is the fact that they have super adjusted these from the factory. And honestly, whenever I got this one sent to me, I did not even have to touch the adjustment on it. It was perfected. And so I am going to show you guys how to take off this blade, because who knows, maybe you want to put it on a different trimmer. But how to take off this blade and show you what the magic is of this mechanism, because this is not your typical spring-loaded trimmer blade. This is M-Force. So let me get this stuff out of the way and I'll show you. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the comparison with these two. I mean, so far everything is the same. Instead of the gold label, you got the silver label right there. Actually, there's a little bit of excess oil. Wipe that off of there. But I like what they've done with the labeling, the GTX Z blade. Now, you had the GTX blade, had the GTX S blade. This is the GTX Z blade. We have done a lot of back and forth. I've probably tested, 20 trimmers, 20 different trimmer blades from them over the past 4 or 5 months. And this one has truly wowed me. This blade, as I tested it on this one, is the first blade I've found that is, to me, better than the Stylecraft one blade with the
everything we have to do with look, if we finally beat Medicare.
X-Pro blade. Sorry guys, I had a Biden moment there. So if you cannot tell, they have up the RPMs. It is at 7,200 RPMs. And I'm going to show you how we remove the blade and how we can adjust the blade. Now, I'm not going to adjust this blade because, honestly, it comes so well adjusted, I don't need to. But you just take these screws off. This blade comes off as a unit. Pop it off of that cam right there. And this is what they've done that's so good about this. There are magnets. That's what M-Force stands for. There's magnets in here that are holding this blade in place and creating even tension across the depth of the blade. Now, if you wanted to adjust it, these two screws, you would loosen them, and this plate right here moves forward, which moves the blade forward. But you can see how strong that is. You've probably seen it slightly advertised of them just showing you how that magnet just picks up that blade. Super strong magnets and super dependable. You can see how well that is adjusted. It is perfected. So you still got your screw plate right there. You follow that cam follower around top of that cam. Drop that in. And then you're ready to go. I'm telling you guys, this Black Label GTX is not just your regular GTX. This M-Force blade, in my opinion, is the best in the business. I have been wowed about how good this blade is. So, check it out, guys.